When will you be speaking right after the coffee break? Well, I said there are 2 words you absolutely must. I will come up on stage and slap you if you say these words when you walk back at 10:45. What were the 2 words I said don't you dare say?
Stop and think.
No, but what would you normally do when an executive walks on stage to start a presentation? Good morning. Why? Because 12 people already said good morning because it's a series of short presentations. How do you immediately get a disconnect? Be predictable and boring. We know it's morning. Don't tell us again. What would it mean to you, your career, your company, if every time you stood up in front of 5, 50, or 500, in a boardroom, training center, or convention hall, if you were confident, you were powerful, persuasive, professional, compelling on message, and a resounding success? If you want to accelerate your career, transform sales results, develop leadership skills, or even become an in-demand, highly paid professional speaker, then Fripp Virtual Training is designed for you. FrippVT Powerful Persuasive Presentations is my highly interactive, learn-at-your-own-pace virtual training around all area of presentations. It is almost as if I am there, sitting next to you, helping. Fripp Virtual Training is a multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art, web-based training platform. It is designed to closely emulate personal training and coaching. It's almost as if I am sitting with you 24/7 as your own personal speech coach and sales trainer. Sign up now, take a free trial, and experience 3 of our content-rich chapters. Then join and take advantage of my 30-plus years experience and in-depth study. Make the commitment to your career. Reap the benefits of FrippVT by making it a consistent part of your personal development. You'll be glad you did.